Mats were laid out and seats were arranged in an orderly manner so the villagers could sit comfortably. Tzu Chi volunteers arrived in Amarapura township on this day to begin a 2-day distribution. After the earthquake on 28 March, rising prices made life even harder for Dog Kim Nay, an elderly villager who relies on a small pension. Each relief item may seem ordinary, but to her, they represent the collective love of many people, making them especially precious.
The social need level, no? So, tomorrow for any video, Titan Baby, but through Sujare, Pio, not through one video, the social need, Suroshi, I should have sent you through one video, Piano Video, Coneta the Mule, through a piano, Lutan through Lakudo, Kamuli, Jarabona, Kamu to Kunizin, Tuesday, some of Cleo, let through Pajat Harabon, not count down and now, and count and look at the local Mutu.
The earthquake destroyed homes and made life even more difficult. For Dorky Pia Mei Tet and her family of 4, every day is a struggle. Despite the hardship, she sets aside a little rice from each meal, a gesture that marks the beginning of kindness.
And Malo who person Yades away, Adi will say you all away, James away, I like don't wear. The new San goes out and the Southern Night, the Southern Night, the Zone Night, La Dong Down Lady Subi or Pian, your Lugo Dambo. Sana Shiva, did I now go side and if you're a pay who made the lesson in line Launas or I think the Lugo Shiva.
Once a disaster victim who received help, this time he seized the affinity, setting aside his work to serve as a volunteer. Disasters may strike repeatedly, yet even in times of hardship, people pray for the well-being of others. Such compassion and kindness warm every heart.